Konnichiwa. Good afternoon. And it's my day off for today. I'm gonna having a cafe. It's a sunny day and I found this cafe in Kanagawa Prefecture. Very relaxing. のんびりはしたい方はおすすめです。I've ordered a lot. I had my coffee latte and my fruit tea. This tea is recommended. おすすめ。これはおすすめ guys. And the garden today is, the hydrangea flowers is in the bloom. So nindot siya ka garden for to visit. Murag siya. Sometimes we need to eat sweets para katilaw po dato ang lawa ato ang insulin o kuan ba sugar. But if you are in diet, please don't do that. Ayog sira ang imong diet kay unya ang pagsisisi na sa huli. Yes, siya. This tea is lami nga tea siya, lami. Anyway, the cake is actually dili na ko ni siya mahurot. So nanto ka tabi kirinai kara mochikaeri dekiru mitai desu. No make. 余ったら持ち帰っても大丈夫みたいです。ただ今日はランチ食べたかったんですけど、For today I want to eat lunch but お昼の担当の人がもう頑張りすぎて倒れたらしくて、今日はスタッフ一人だけみたいです。Wala sila staff ang tagaluto daw kay nakuyapan ba sa kakapoy siguro. So ang ma-offer nila sa ako is only cake and cafe and tea lang. So wala ko lang choice. I don't have any choice but to order this lemon cake and muffin. Yummy yummy. 美味しかったよ。意外ととっても美味しかったです。一人でもコーヒー屋さん行きます。こういうところね、一人でのんびりできるところが好きです。中がこんな感じ。すごい素敵。ドライフラワーがいっぱいあって、なんかいい感じだよ。The atmosphere inside is so relaxing. And dili siya masikip. And the landscape also is very relaxing. Ano lang ni siya, murag lang ba for home restaurant. Yes. Yeah. だったがコーヒー屋さんにしたみたい感じ。でもとても綺麗ですよ。素敵な場所。ぜひおすすめです。行ってみてください。ありがとうございました。